Hello students, myself Aarti. Today I teach you chapter number 2 of class 9. Is matter around us pure? What is the meaning of pure here? Pure substance is that substance which consists of single type of particle. In science, pure substance means it is that type of substance which consists of single type of particle. For example, gold and iron. Types of pure substance are elements and compounds. Elements is the simplest form of matter. It cannot be broken down further. Element is the very simplest form of matter which cannot be broken down more. And other characteristics of elements are metals, non-metals and metalloids. Metals, the properties of metal are they have luster. Second one is they have silvery gray or yellow color. And the third one is they conduct heat and electricity. Fourth one, they are ductile. And the next one is they are malleable. And next is they are sonorous. And the example of metals are gold and silver. Second characteristics of elements are non-metal. The characteristics of colors. Second one is they are poor conductor of heat and electricity. Next one are they are not luster, not sonorous, not malleable. Then last one is metalloids. Metalloids are elements having intermediate properties between those of metals and non-metals. Metalloids are that which have intermediate properties of metals and non-metals. And the example of metalloids are boron and silicon. And example of non-metals are here hydrogen and oxygen. The next one is compound. Compound, it composed of two or more elements chemically combined with one another. Listen again. A compound is a substance which composed of two or more elements chemically combined with one another. For example, ammonium chloride and water. Next is the difference between mixture and compound. Mixture you have to study it earlier, and compound is here. For the difference, first one is elements or compound just mixed together to form a mixture, and no new compound is formed in mixture. But in compound, elements react to form new compound. And second one of mixture is a mixture has a variable composition, and the compound, the composition of each new substance is always fixed. In compound, composition of each substance is always fixed. Third one is a mixture shows the properties of the continuant substance. On the other hand, compound, the new substance has totally different properties. This is all about pure substance. Listen again. Pure substance consists of single type of particle. Example are gold and iron. Then further types of pure substance, that is of two elements and compound. Element is the simplest form of matter. It cannot be broken down further. And next, the characteristic of elements are metals, non-metals and metalloids. Metal properties of metal are they have luster, they have silvery gray color, they have good conductor of heat and electricity, they have ductile, malleable and sonorous. And the example are gold and silver. On the other hand, non-metals, they display a variety of color. They are poor conductor of heat and electricity. They are not luster, not sonorous and not malleable. And here the example are hydrogen and oxygen. And metalloids are the elements having intermediate properties of both metals and non-metals are called metalloids. And the example are boron and silicon. On the other hand, a compound is a substance composed of two or more elements chemically combined with each other. See here, ammonium chloride and water. What is the formula of water? That is H2O. Means in both example they are composed of 2 or more elements. This is all about pure substance. Thank you.